What's up, pups? Hope you're doing absolutely amazing. My name is Saint Wolf. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to do an update on PulsePUP. Let's go check out what that little puppy is up to. All right, here we are. $17.72. Okay, you can see PulsePUP has moved out. It did a peak on March 10th, and it's been moving down slowly with Pulsechain really in the market. We have created a beautiful descending wedge here. It looks really nice. I'm very, very confident. This looks extremely bullish. Just look at this run up. We had a cup and handle here that broke out like a wild, wild animal here, a beast, an absolute beast. It's no longer a puppy. And we look like we're heading toward this channel I put here a while ago. Really, I was looking at this candle for quite some time, and I thought, you know what, this is going to need to fill at some point for us to move up. And you need to also keep in mind that Pulsechain has been moving down as well, so that makes absolute sense that this could follow in suit since it is trading with the Pulsechain ecosystem and projects on there. Now, really quick, for those of you guys who are new, PulsePuppy is like an index fund on Pulsechain. It's arbitraging between tons of different projects, especially in the Atropa ecosystem, but just all across Pulsechain. And it's generating value with all these arbitrages. Once again, like an index fund, just like on Wall Street, all these traders, you give them money, they're going to trade that money to make more money between a lot of different stocks. This is looking at projects on Pulsechain and doing tons of trading on there. Now let's really quick look and see, because it's done an incredible run up all the way from the low of $1.36 all the way to a high of $33. Okay, so that run was a 2,492% move, so a 25x, which is phenomenal because it did it December in 3 months. You got a 25x, okay? And Pulsechain did not do that in the same time. So this has been working exponentially to the upside. Now let's see the move to the downside that happened, okay? So it peaked on March 10th. Now let's see, we'll go from here. Let's see what the low was so far. It's 53% move downward, okay? Now let's see, Pulsechain did let's say the move was on March, was it 9th, 10th, almost the same here, and it did a move down 68% down. So it did much better to the downside, but did phenomenal to the upside. You can see the date. Let's say the low was let's say it was December 8th. December 8th. Look at this. Yeah. So do I even need to look? This only did a 3x, while PulsePUP did, what did I say? A 25x. So that's what you want. So just like if you had given $1 million to a fund, an index fund on Wall Street, you're expecting them to pick the fastest horses on the way up while the market's moving up. And when the market pulls back, they move your funds onto the slowest horses so that it moves down the least in comparison to other people. So you're always moving up much faster than you are moving down. And that's what you want to see in the long run. And PulsePUP is doing exactly what it's supposed to do so far. The math looks great. I'm absolutely excited about this project because the next run up could be incredible, because I think we're expecting Pulse to do quite some numbers once we've find our base and we actually go full into the rest of this bull run, which could be a couple months or quite a few months away. We're still pre-halving, just coming up this week actually. So let's say Pulsechain consolidates. Hopefully it keeps making higher lows. We can expect PulsePUP also to come down, probably finish this descending wedge, maybe bottom out, jump back up, consolidate a little bit, and then move up with Pulse. If Pulse just trends sideways, obviously we want it to keep the structure of higher lows. We would expect Pulse to also do something similar and maybe just trend up as you see here, just trending up, trending up, trending up before it makes the really big moves. You guys see this? You guys see how it bottoms and then it moves up slow and then gets faster. Same thing, it could move slow and then quickly. Pulse could also trickle along, just like you see here, and then pop up, maybe trickle a little more and then take off. So pulse, you know, there could be something similar that happens there. Worst case scenarios. I'm going to show you the best case scenario, which is really amazing. Just hold on 1 second. Let me just show you worst case scenario. Let's say we break through because Israel and Iran go at each other's throats, and it's Armageddon. Everything breaks down. Pulsechain would break down, probably coming down here to the 0.00003, which is around here. Obviously, it could get worse than that, but let's just say that for now. PulsePUP would also break down from here. But looking at how well the math has worked, it could just come down here to $9. It may not break all the way down to come down here to $6 and lower. So it may hold up really well, all things considered. But this is a lot of support here at $5, and there is a lot of support at $9 too. So that could be worst case scenario. But I think we're going to follow this pattern because everything looks good. I don't think Armageddon's coming, at least for quite a while. This bull run is going to play out the next 2 years. So I am very bullish. Now, upside, let me show you what happens. So we come down, we fill this out, we start making our uptrend, and we're about to rip. Where could it go? Where is it going to go? Let me show you. Let's just pull some fibs. Let's have some fun. But this always ends up being where it goes. It's math. It's fib levels. Now, the first top, the 1618, is $52. I think that is going to be hit very nicely. That also plays out if you were to see this as a bull flag, about $52. The thing that's got me really excited is realistically, it's going to come up to these levels very easily. I think it's going to hit the 3618, $117, which is a 10x from here. When we bottom out, which could be, what I show you that in this channel would be $13. Was it 14 to 12 and a half? So let's say $13. I mean, you're looking at 150x. Okay. The 4236 is $137. Now we don't know what kind of numbers Atropa Pulsechain is going to do, but this could be nothing. This could just be a little blimp, and we could be going into numbers like the 7618, $240. Could be very realistic. This could look like this. I think that's what's going to happen because this bull run is going to be quite epic. A lot of money is going to flow into projects. I think Pulsechain is going to have its day, and this ecosystem is going to roar. All right, and so we're going to look, yeah. So 7618, $245 is very, very. This could even be peanuts. It could just rip like nothing we've ever seen before. So you got to be ready for everything. So we're in a good DCA range. I'm going to keep packing my bags. I really like this project. I think it's doing really well. You can see the Twitter has grown. Got 729 followers. I think it's kind of blowing like this, and it's going to hit a point when it grows, and it's going to just go hockey stick. Okay, so you guys were very early. If you want to look at scan really quick, let's see how many holders it has really fast. Let's come over here. All right, 663 holders, almost our lucky number. So 663 holders. Come over here. These two top wallets are part of the project. Okay, they're part of the index funds and how it works. So everything below that, the distribution is absolutely amazing. Like, this is just beautiful. I mean, it's just gorgeous. I don't see anybody. I don't know why you would dump this. Like, this is something you would just keep slowly DCAing into. As long as Pulsechain exists, you know. So it's your leverage play on Pulsechain. Do me a favor, like this video. Definitely put a comment down below. Let's talk about this video. Let's get the word out so more people start talking about this video. If you have any questions, anything you want to do, put it down below. I promise you I'll find out. This is one of my favorite projects ever. And you guys stay safe out there. When in doubt, just be chill. Don't trade too much right now. We don't know what's happening on the world. Things could get crazy. Just be calm. Just be cool. Everything's going to be okay. And we'll catch you later. All right. Bye.